Today we are going to discuss about the design thinking video about a line follower manufacturing, right? So basically, line follower play a major industry in robotics. So I want to know how the line follower has been manufacturing through a design thinking process. Let's start this video with an empathy part or introduction part.
Line follower is an autonomous god which follows the line. It majorly follows black line and white lines. It uses sensors for detecting it, and how it follows is a black line on a white surface or a white line on a black surface. It moves, deciding which it is following the correct path or not. This is how this is the starting stage of an autonomous vehicle.
Next, empathy, anything points I to share by yourself?
So basically, the specific line follower to make this more accurate, we can use the PID controller now. So what it do means it will learn from their mistake. So if it turns in a different direction and that is wrong, so it will directly indicate to the processing unit and it will make the line right. So it will then follows the right line.
So yes, but then what about the sensor parts?
Sensors really shows higher sensors. For a sensor in the line, what the black bar, white line as per with sets, where to follow the line and delivery one place to another place. The companies like Amazon are using this line for bots in real time for shipping one product from another place to another place, because so much of load a man can hold and move from one place to another place. So in line follower bot, it holds a lot of loads and shipping from one place to another place. And like this also in real time, line follower bot use.
So as I said, basic line follower is following the line by then what are the parts they has to bring and the sensors. Even though if these are the different type of setup, but these can be connected through a wiring circuits, right? Maybe using amplifiers or controllers or everything has been connected together by using an wiring circuits. Anybody can say about the wiring circuits or how it has been connected to each other or making to each other for a function of a particular area.
So in the connection time, it will works upon throughs. We connect lots of things. Like N20 gear motor with the DB6 controllers. The driver will track the motors inside and give output to the motors. In works upon it, the battery efficiency is the main parts. If battery efficiency is more than the controller's points, it will blast.
So connection plays a vital role. If a single wire has been misplaced or misguided, so the power transmission will become, sometimes it will be in higher or sometimes it will be will still do burning of capacitors or burning of sensors. Sometimes it can bust itself, right? So wiring plays a vital role. Apart from that, even though wiring has been connected, there will be a testing part has to be carried out, right? So each part category has to be tested at accuracy for getting a particular value or particular result. So can you explain about the testing process?
I would like to share my personal experience as to build a bot. So the first place for testing, we should take the bot. First, we should build the bot and we should make a place in a white line or a black line. So if you give battery, it will run. So for that, we should use a PID control as we said. So using PID control, it can test the bot. So PID stands for the proportional date and derivative conversion. So proportional deals with the future error and the derivatives deals with the present error and the integration part deals with the upcoming ones.
So apart from that also there is a lot of testing process, right? Even though how the sensor function has been carried out. Similarly, whether the line has been tracked or not. These are the things we have to verify in the testing part. Apart from any other points they are leaving, can you tell?
So as we all know, line follower is an autonomous bot. So its general function is it should follow a line using a IR sensor or not sensor based on application. So to follow the line, the sensor should take an input. So for example, let's take a binary code. If we keep black as 0 and white as 1, each sensor will read the values and it will send it to the controller. Now the controller will make decisions upon the values which are given by the sensors. Now the controller will give the supply to a motor which will be used to control the speed and direction of the motor. So hence, fully working automotive will be made. So, as we know, as we said, we are using in Amazon. So, if the places where humans cannot be accessed, this kind of watch can be used. You just need to give the input as a map or an track. So it will be automatically use that process to move these boxes or crates, etc.
So yes, it's right. So normally the line follows key thing and the basic thing for developing an autonomous vehicles. So hope everybody has given insight on this video will be great for the watchers, and thank you for deliberating your points. Thank you all.
Thank you.